Hi, this is Cooking with Mrs. G, and we have a beautiful chicken mushroom here. And what is interesting about this specimen is that it is a Laetoporus cincinnatus, meaning it is the white chicken mushroom. You can see how it's white underneath, but what's really interesting is that it is not actually on the ground. Laetoporus cincinnatus usually would be right at the foot of the tree. It is a butt rot mushroom. And that just means that it taps into the root of the tree. So you can see it is actually on the beginning of the root of this tree. It's kind of hard to see, but it's not tapping into the trunk like the Laetoporus sulphureus, the one that's yellow underneath. It is really tapping into that root. So when I first drove by this and I saw the top of it, I just assumed that it was a Laetoporus sulphureus because it looked like it was fruiting directly on the bark, directly on the trunk. But on closer inspection, you can see that it is tapping into the root and that it is white underneath. So it's a Laetoporus cincinnatus, but either way, it's delicious and I want to collect it right now because if it got any older, it would be a little bit too woody to be very tasty. So we're gonna get this right now, and I'm hoping to have this be a nice specimen for some photos for a newspaper story that is gonna be written up soon. Okay, as you can see in pulling this mushroom away, that it is indeed tapping into the roots and not the tree. It was so close up to the tree that it was kind of getting stuck on the tree, but you can see where it was tapping into, which is the roots, right abutting this tree. So there we go. There we have it. This is Rachel Goclawski, Cooking with Mrs. G. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and of course here on YouTube. Happy foraging!